Good morning. So I will be starting my day from day 1. Yes, day 1. So I will be writing my all the patterns from day 1 to day 10. What I did wrong and why I failed. I failed because I go into a too much of fatigue level and I didn't appreciate my effort what I am doing. So appreciate yourself at every smallest task you are doing. So appreciation will give you momentum. So this is 10 and this is 1. This is the day 1 started. So over the time it will help me to understand at what day I did wrong and at what thing I have failed. So I will be sharing this all thing in my website shivamraj.com/blog. So you can see the whole journey and the graph where I'm lacking and what the mistakes I'm doing. So in 4 a.m. challenge, what the mistakes I'm doing. So also this will be amazing and one of the greatest video of my 4 a.m. challenge, because I will be sharing some amazing techniques which can give you a peace of mind and you can accept the thing and move forward quickly. Because a lot of time we go into the loop, we failed, now if I'll do again I will fail again. So what is the point of trying? So if you stop trying, no, you fail only when you stop trying. You fail only when you stop trying. So you will be seeing me in this video directly applying the power of courage and patience. So keep watching this video till end. Let me ask one thing with you, like have you ever wondered why all people in this world are not happy? Why all my relations not give me what I want, like not give me the love, give me the happiness? Why there are people who promises, could be politician or could be in your organization, someone, but they promise don't deliver? So that will give you some kind of irritation, little bit irritation. So I will be sharing what you can do this. Instead of expectation, you need to have acceptance, a deeper acceptance. But how you will get the acceptance? There should be one technique or tool, right? So what is that technique? You want to know that? So this will give you a deeper acceptance, and deeper acceptance will give you a peace of mind, a freedom. And deeper expectations give you what? Happiness. Deeper expectations give you irritations, frustrations, and sadness, right? Tell me quickly this thing. I just wanted to know, because I wanted to know why the things are not exactly the way I think 100%. Now wait, here is the catch. The catch is, you said 100%, right? So answer lies in your query, 100%. Let me ask you, is everything in 100%? 100%? I don't think like that. I think we all have to think our life in percentages. There are certain people in our life who will give us happiness. Certain people will give torture or criticize. Some people don't do, they are just idle. So how to accept these things? By thinking your life in percentages. For example, you will be in an organization, you will be in a job, or you are doing a business. So you will be around 100 people and your intention is to help or to deliver something. Let's take example, you are helping with your product or with your solutions, whatever your problem you are solving in people's life. So do all 100 people will appreciate you? There are some people who will appreciate you. There are some people inside that group of 100 who will criticize you. Some people can maybe bully you or torture you, or some will not say anything. So by thinking in percentages will give you acceptance. So this is the tool, thinking in percentages. But if you don't think in percentages, what your mind automatically will say, start expecting, oh, I given so much things, I have given a great post, why my all friends on Facebook not liking my post or sharing my post? So by thinking in percentages, there are some different people who like your post, who doesn't like your post, who criticize you badly, or who just overwhelmed with your content. So by thinking in percentages, you don't stop your growth. You understand and accept the people as they are. Accepting the people as they are give you the peace of mind. Nobody is perfect. That perfection is you need to remove from your mind. We all are growing here, so by having that understanding, we can live our life. Like I have took this challenge, so why my all the effort for the challenge not 100%? I have to make it that 100% by keep on doing, failing and then growing, failing and then growing, failing and then growing. So by knowing this, I know I am mentally preparing my mind. It's not a smooth path. It is like this, and this is destination. This is the destination. So once you have understanding, like there are people or politician, why politician promises and don't deliver at what they have said, right? So by sitting in front of TV, the news and everything is bombarding the news on our brain, and we got to have subtle expectations and subtle irritation or frustration why things are not what they said. They are also a human being. They are not a god, right? So human always have a limitation. But instead, what you can think in percentages, like there are some promises they can able to fulfill, and some they can't. So you need to understand while giving the vote to someone or giving something. So accept that he is a human. What he is promising can't be 100%. So appreciate what he is doing, and what he cannot do, except for your peace of mind, not for him. Because what's in your hand, as a responsible citizen, come forward and do what's in your hand. Maybe power is not in your hand. A small task to help someone or some giving the resources is in your hand. Small resources in your hand. But those who are watching this, who having a power in his hand and not using that power in people benefits, let me tell you one thing. When life ends, you will regret a lot, because that flash memory back will come into life. You will say, oh, just hatao, it will not be like that. But trust me, remember your bad days, and when you are sick, you will remember all those things. So that small sickness is just a small trailer. So when you are at that last stage of your life, you will regret really the power which you have. It could not be a politician. If you are in an administrative post, or if you are at home, or whatever the power if you in your hand. So if you are not utilizing it perfectly in people benefits, so you're gonna regret. So but it's the opposite. If you are, it can't be 100% again. If you have a power, trust me, if you having a giving attitude and you can't able to fulfill people expectations, so then also expect you can't fulfill the 100% expectation of the people. But the thing you have tried, that your intention matters. Okay, your intention matters. So you will feel great about yourself. You feel happiness inside. You feel great because you have a pure intention and you did the action step. So this is what my whole video. Let me summarize it, because it's around 10 minutes or something. Think your life in percentages. Nothing is 100%. Okay. If you have any doubt or something query related this video, you can go down, write the comment, and I will reply to you back. I hope you like my video. If you really like my video, you can subscribe, you can like, and also there will be the people who don't like the video. I personally wanted to say dislike if you don't like the video, so that I can understand what the mistake I am doing and what are the things I have to improve. So this is whole video of 4 AM challenge is my for personal improvement, what the mistake I am doing and what area I have to improve. So this is again I failed at day 10, and this is the day 1, and I am accepting myself in percentages, because some of my thoughts are helpful, some are very wasteful, and some thoughts are elevated. So I have to choose consciously. This power of choice,
human have a power of choice. So I will use that power of choice to to choose that elevated thoughts which will help me to move forward in life.